Hi guys, welcome to SA Technical. In this video, we will explore troubleshooting steps for Windows 11 update failures. Windows updates are essential for keeping your system secure and up to date with latest features. However, sometimes update can fail to install or encounter errors. In this video, we will guide you through some common troubleshooting techniques to help you resolve Windows 11 update failures effectively. So, let's get started. Start by checking your internet connection. Stable or reliable internet connection is crucial for downloading and installing updates. Ensure that you are connected to the network with sufficient bandwidth and try accessing other websites or online services to confirm that your internet connection is working properly. Restart your computer. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues that may be causing update failures. So restart your Windows 11 computer and attempt to install the updates again. Sometimes this basic step can fix minor glitches and allow updates to proceed successfully. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows 11 includes a built-in troubleshooter specifically designed to identify and resolve update-related problems. Go to Windows Start, open the Settings app. Under System, go to Troubleshoot. Under the Other Troubleshooter tab, select Windows Update and click on Run. And follow the on-screen instructions to run troubleshooters. Keep patience, it will scan for issues and attempt to fix any detected problems. Free up disk space. Insufficient disk space can prevent update from installing successfully. Ensure that you have enough free space on your system drive. You can use the built-in disk cleanup utility to remove unnecessary files and free up disk space. Alternatively, you can uninstall unused programs or move your personal files to another drive or an external storage device to create more space. Disable antivirus and security software. Sometimes a third-party antivirus or security software can interfere with the update process. So, temporarily disable any antivirus or security programs you have installed and attempt to install the update again. And remember to re-enable the antivirus software after the updates are installed successfully. Manually download and install updates. If the automatic update process fails repeatedly, you can try manually downloading or installing the updates. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog official website. Search for the specific update you need. Download the appropriate package and install it manually. Be sure to follow the provided instructions carefully to ensure a successful installation. Reset Windows Update components. If all else failed, you can reset the Windows Update components to resolve any Windows Update issues. Open the command prompt and Windows PowerShell as an administrator. First, we need to stop the Windows Update services by running the following commands one by one. Net space stop space serve and press enter. Next type net space stop space appidsvc and press enter. Next type net space stop space crypt svc and press enter. Next, you need to rename the software distribution and cat root to folder. To do this, run the following command one by one. Type ren space c colon /windows /software distribution space software distribution .old and press enter. Next type ren space c colon /windows /system32 cat root 2 space cat root 2 dot old and press enter. Okay, once done, restart the Windows Update services by running the following command one by one. Next type net space start space bits and press enter. Net space start space serve and press enter. Next type net space start space appid svc and press enter. Next type net space start space cript svc and press enter. After completing these steps, try running Windows Update again and to see if the issue has been resolved. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.